Hey, this is Johnny from Dalton Hyundai. I'm gonna show you guys sound settings on the 2026 Kona Limited. Here's how you can access your sound settings. You swipe left here, you go to setup. From here, you can go to sound, and you have premium sound here, so you have your dynamic speed compensation, which you can actually turn off or on. Basically what it does, it monitors the vehicle speed and automatically adjusts aspect of the music to ensure a consistent listening experience. Right here you have a startup maximum volume limit, which basically when starting the vehicle lowers media volumes if they are higher than factory set maximum startup levels. If you go here in positioning, you can actually adjust how you want the music to be in position. And then you also, if you go here on tone, you can adjust how you want the treble, the mid-range, and the bass. If you go to guidance, you got your guidance volumes here, which you can adjust. All of these, you have beep, alerts, navigation guidance, navigation alerts, voice prompts, ringtone. You also have navigation alert, and this is for your camera alert distance here. And you have navigation guidance during calls, plays audio navigation guidance during phone calls, basically. Navigation volume priority, media volume will be lower during navigation guidance. You have mute navigation guidance there, and then you have welcome sound as well there, which it'll provide a chime noise every time you get in or out from the car. Radio noise here, so there's 3 settings that you can do here for your radio noise. You have original sound, you have minimum noise reduction, and maximum noise reduction. Driver's assistance, so you also have here your warning volumes. You can adjust here and how high you want the volume to be. So you have 1, 2, 3. And if you see here, you have your haptic warning. So every warning, it'll give you a vibration on the steering wheel. You have your lane safety out of a warning on. Basically what this indicates is that when you go over the white line, yellow line, it won't give you any warning, just a vibration on the steering wheel. You have your driving safety priority, which basically every single time you hear a warning, it'll lower down the music, radio, whatever you have playing. You have parking safety priority, which if you put the car in reverse, it'll lower down the music so you can focus when you're reversing. And then connected devices here, you have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. If you click on here, you can adjust the media sound and voice prompts. Also the same thing with Apple CarPlay. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys have a question, drop it down below in the comments.